People have been making jack-o'-lanterns at Halloween for centuries. One version of the practice may have originated from an Irish legend, which first appeared in print in the 19th century, about a man nicknamed Stingy Jack. As the tale goes, Stingy Jack invited the devil to have a drink with him. True to his name, Stingy Jack didn't want to pay for his drink, so he convinced the devil to turn himself into a coin that Jack could use to buy their drinks. Once the devil transformed, Jack decided to keep the money and put it into his pocket next to a silver cross, which prevented the devil from changing back into his form. Jack eventually freed the devil, under the condition that he would not bother Jack for 1 year. In the event of Jack's demise, the devil would not claim his soul. The next year, Jack again tricked the devil into climbing into a tree to pick a piece of fruit. While he was up in the tree, Jack carved a sign of the cross into the tree's bark so that the devil could not come down until the devil promised Jack not to bother him for another 10 more years. Shortly after, Jack passed away. According to the legend, God refused entry to heaven for such a morally questionable figure. The devil, angered by the trick Jack had pulled on him, and staying true to his promise of not claiming Jack's soul, denied his entry to hell. Jack put the coal into a carved-out turnip and has been roaming the earth with it ever since. The Irish started calling this ghostly figure Jack of the Lantern, eventually simplifying it to Jack-o'-lantern. In Ireland and Scotland, people began to make their own versions of Jack's lanterns by carving scary faces into turnips and placing them by the windows or close to entrances to frighten away Stingy Jack and other wandering evil spirits. In England, large beets are used. When immigrants from these regions settled in the United States, they brought along their vegetable carving customs, contributing to the evolution of American pumpkin carving from a seasonal activity uniquely associated with Halloween.